Why is Ummi still sleeping? Did Ummi wake up late today? Ummi, you're burning. It's okay, dear, just little fever. You should rest today, Ummi.
We need to prepare something.
But what will we make? Wait, I think Ummi prepared something. I knew it.
Mom prepared dosa batter last night.
Even while tired.
My arm is already tired.
You grated only one coconut. Is chutney okay? Yes, chef!
Perfect. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Chutney emergency!
Oh, it just slipped!
The whole counter is green! Quick, grab a towel!
It's okay. It's just a little extra.
Careful, precious cargo.
You all made this?
Yes, Ummi, together we made this. You need rest.
Doctor's orders.
Ummi, should we go hospital?
No, dear. Just buy fever medicine. I'll be okay, inshallah.
I never knew housework was this hard. Mothers carry everything silently.
Jazakallah khairan, my children.
The fish is frying nicely. It smells like Eid food.
Is lunch ready after 5 minutes?
No.
Oh! Oh no! I forgot the dryer. You both saved me.
We are professional workers now.
Thank you. Time to clean everywhere. Sweeping all the dust away. All clean and sparkling.
Sarah, table's still dirty here.
Now?
This looks so wonderful. Thank you. It's delicious. How did you all prepare all this?
Together.
We almost survived kitchen disaster.
And nobody burned the house. You do this for us every day.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Allahu Akbar.
MashaAllah.
Even while sick, Ummi still prays.
How are you feeling now, Ummi? Alhamdulillah, much better, my dears.
Alhamdulillah.
Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful family.
Wa alaikum assalam. We became Ummi today.
Ali washed dishes too? Today you learned how much your mother sacrifices every day.
And Ummi never stops loving.
Even plants look happy.
Yasin wal Qur'anil Hakim.
That one looks like map of Africa.
Sarah, little oil, please.
Okay.
This feels so peaceful. I think I ruined your vacation day.
No, Ummi.
We finally understood how much work you do.
Seeing all of you together removes every tiredness from my heart. How does Ummi do all this every day alone?
I washed dishes once and almost died.
Ummi never rests and never complains.
Allah placed Jana under the feet of mothers.
We should help her more from now on.
Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani sahira.